Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Astha. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful nude makeup look. This makeup look is very simple. आप लोग कोई भी इस makeup को आसानी से कर सकते हो. So if you are interested to know how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. And if you like my video, then don't forget to hit the like button, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. So first I'm using this Jove Sun Cover SPF 30 sunscreen. This is a cream based sunscreen, so I won't be applying a moisturizer after this. For primer, I'm using this Blue Heaven Studio Perfection primer. I'll apply this on my T-zones, my forehead and my chin, and then I'll blend it outwards. So let's start with the eye makeup. For concealing my eyes, I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Deep Tan. I'm applying the concealer on my eyelid and then I'm just blending it with a damp beauty blender. Then I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette. I have taken a fluffy brush. I'm picking up this dark brown shade from the palette and I'm placing this shade on my outer V. Then I'm taking this another palette. This is LA Color Day to Night palette. I have taken a clean fluffy brush and I'm picking up this grey shade. This is not actually grey. This is a mix of grey and beige color. So I'm placing this shade on my crease. I'm also blending my brown eyeshadow with this shade. Then I'm taking this rose gold shimmery shade from the palette on an eyeshadow brush and I'm applying it on my inner V. So this palette has really nice shimmery shades. The shades are very subtle and beautiful. इनमें बिल्कुल भी chunky glitters नहीं है and they give a really nice glow to your eyelid when you apply it. Then I'm blending the glitter eyeshadow a little bit with my fingers and then I have taken the same fluffy brush and I'm blending all the shades together. Then I'm taking this Blue Heaven Walk Free eyeliner. Today I'll just draw a wing with this eyeliner. I won't draw the eyeliner on my lash line. Just draw a simple wing in the direction of your eyebrows. For mascara, I am using this Wet n Wild Max Fanatic Sustainable Mascara. और इसको आप जितना चाहो उतना अपने आई लैशेस पे लगा लो जैसे मैं लगा रही हूँ. बिल्कुल मस्कारा में कोई भी कमी नहीं करनी है. Because that's what makes our eye look big and beautiful. So yeah, I'm done with the makeup of one eye. Let me do it on the other eye as well and come back quickly. So you can see I'm done with my eye makeup. Now let's move on. For foundation, I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Caramel. I'm applying it nicely on my face and on my neck and then I'll just blend it with a damp beauty blender. Then I'm using the same Wet n Wild concealer on top of my foundation. This is a really nice shade for me. It matches my skin tone really well. And it also has an orange undertone in it, so it also cancels out my dark circles and pigmentation. Then I've taken the same brown shade from the Makeup Revolution palette and I'm just smudging it out on my lower lash line. For contour also, I've taken the same brown shade on a contour brush. First I'm applying it on my cheekbones, then I'll apply it on my jawlines and then finally on my forehead. Then for contouring my nose, I've taken the same fluffy brush with which I applied my eyeshadow and the same brown shade. For blush, I'm using this stick blush from Sugar. This is in the shade 03 Mauve Marvel. I'm applying it on my cheeks and then I'm just blending it with a dense fluffy brush. For highlighter, I'm taking this Swiss Beauty Brick highlighter. I've taken a clean fluffy brush and I'm picking up the copper and the rose gold shade in the middle from the palette and I'm applying it on my high points. I really like the finish as well as the shades of this highlighter. It gives a very nice subtle glow to your face, especially when you are doing a brown nudish makeup. Now for setting my makeup, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact. I am taking it on a fluffy brush and I am applying it on my under eyes, my T-zones as well as my chin. And by the way, this is in the shade 310 Sun Beige. For lipstick, I am using this half and half lipstick in the shade Reddish Brown. I am also mixing another shade with it. This lipstick is from Miss Rose in the shade Brown. और इन दोनों लिपस्टिक्स को मैंने तब तक मिक्स करा है जब तक मुझे अपना डिज़ायर्ड शेड नहीं मिल जाता है. मुझे एक अच्छा कूल टोन ब्राउन शेड चाहिए था. So there you go, I'm done with the makeup. Let's do the hair, wear the jewelries and quickly come back. So guys, that's how you can create this brown nude makeup look. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, see you next time.